Hi friend, guess what? My Young Living order came in today for January. Are you ready to reset your health or maybe your emotions or your finances this year? I just love talking about health and wellness and making sure all my friends are using as much natural products as possible to really support their health. So let's see what I got. You want to see what I got in my order? All right, I'm excited. I had a restock on these. These are wolfberry, dried wolfberries. So this is kind of like a goji berry, and it is amazing support for antioxidants. It tastes great as a snack. Sometimes I put it in my salad or oatmeal. Or like make a trail mix with it. But this month, I am going to use these to make an elevated elderberry syrup to support our immune system. So wolfberries are such a great superfood. So you can get that at Young Living. That's one thing. Just some of our basics. I love their dish soap, all natural, and it works good. Another cleaning product that is so multi-purpose is this Thieves Scrub. It doesn't have chlorine or any toxic ingredients. And I use this, of course, to clean my sink. It's really good for my stainless steel stove, and it doesn't scratch it. I use it in all the sinks. Sometimes when I get something on my quartz countertop that kind of stains, and it gets that out. Of course, the bathtub, even the I sprinkle some for the toilets. It's super good. It lasts a long time. Okay, Young Living has really good skincare, and I ran out of my wolfberry eye cream. So good eyes, just, to support our immune system. Our Super C chewables for our family, my daughters. I got some face powder, and let's see. Forgot what's in here. And then there's something really big. I'll show you what I got. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is my husband's favorite, actually. It's the Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, affordable. Like the oil costs quite a bit. This is an hydrosol, so it's like the leftover water that still has a lot of benefits, or the liquid parts of the oil when they distill it, kind of the leftovers, but it's like there's still such great benefits. So this is really great for your skin. My husband enjoys it as kind of like a spritzer cologne. We kind of add some oils to it, or sometimes use this as the base. But it's just really good for moisturizing your skin, and even your hair. There's a lot of uses for it, and it's really affordable. Okay, I'll show you these are my freebies, because the cool thing is when you order, the more you order, the more free gifts you have. But the biggest thing in here is my Ningxia Red. It's kind of hard to get out of there, but that's my 2 big bottles. Ningxia Red is made from these wolfberries, supports your eye health, immune system, energy, all your organs. It also comes this way as a liquid, but we take like 1 ounce a day just to support overall wellness. And because it is because it's liquid, it really absorbs in your system quickly, even better than supplements. So if that's like 1 supplement the whole family can take daily, and it tastes really good. So it's like a treat. Now, because of that, I'm on the loyalty program. It just, subscription you can order. If you continue to be on it, you get more benefits. So I got 10 free points. That's like $10. Then I got this, which is so good for refreshing winter skin, satin facial scrub, and it's a slight pepperminty scent, and I keep it in the shower. I'm excited. I needed this. Super D vitamin, and you take 2 tablets. It's kind of chewable. You let it dissolve in your mouth. It tastes kind of sweet, but this is really good for this time of the year. There's not so much sun in different parts of the country. San Diego, there's quite a bit of sun, but also really good in case you get any like respiratory infections, or good health to support that. So, and finally, so excited because I use this all the time, lavender, and a 15 ml. So that's a big one for free. If you have any condition or any issue, emotions or physical, put put on lavender. It's like the Swiss Army knife of oils. So there we go. So that's my order. And hey, do you need some help with your wellness? Do you want some ideas? I'd love to support you. And if you have questions, let's talk soon.